Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Before I start my reflection, let us welcome in our midst our dear pilgrims from the Divine Mercy Group from Jesus, Lord of Divine Mercy Parish. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. And to all of you, our dear pilgrims and faithful here inside our Mother Church, and also those joining us online, we welcome you and we assure you of the blessings and our prayers from God our Lord. Two of the five senses that we all have were mentioned by Jesus in the explanation of him about the parable of the sower and the seed. The senses or the hearing and the listening senses. Ang ating pakikinig at ang ating pagtingin. At ito po ay ilang mga importanteng bagay na ginamit o sana ginamit ng karanasan sa mga narinig po nating pagbasa. We go to our first reading today. This experience of Jeremiah telling the Israelites once more the words and even the plight of God for them. It is as if God telling the Israelites, if you have just listened to me, kung nakinig lang kayo sa akin, kung tinignan ninyo yung mga nasa harapan ninyo, yung sanang magandang naging simulain natin. I remember the devotion of your youth, how you loved me as a bride, how you followed me in the desert and in a land unsown. If you could have just listened and saw these things that is happening to you, you would not want or even hindi ka makakarating sa karanasang ito na medyo may pagkakalayo tayo, may galit ako sa inyo, lumayo ang inyong puso sa akin. The power of seeing and the power of hearing. And when the apostles confronted Jesus, why do you speak in parables? Because then people see but do not see. They have ears but they do not hear. Sayang lang naman. Kaya ito ang mga ginagamit o ginagawa ko sa inyo. I tell you this parable so that you can learn. I give you objects so that you can see. These are experiences so that you can examine by your hearing and by your seeing. And thus, see how gracefulness, how order can be perfect and possible in you. Ito po ang isang bagay na hinaharap natin mga minamahal na kapatid. May mga buhay na nasisira dahil hindi nakikinig at hindi tumatanaw. May mga buhay naman din pong umayos dahil nakinig at dahil tumanaw. Binibigay po ni Jesus ang bola sa atin. Ano ang gagawin ho natin? Makikinig ho ba tayo? Tatanaw ba tayo? O hindi? Baka po itong mga nangyayari sa ating buhay, personal man, bilang komunidad o bilang bansa ay bunga ng hindi pagtanaw at ng hindi pakikinig. Dasal tayo ng dasal, Panginoon, ayusin mo ang bansa namin. Panginoon, ayusin mo naman ako. Nakikinig tayo at naririnig natin yung mga taong nagsasabing, wag nang bumoto sa magnanakaw, wag nang bumoto sa mamatay tao, pero ito tayo, number 1 pa sa SWS survey. Sinasabi ho natin, tinutulungan na ho tayo ng pananampalataya at simbahan, paano magdesisyon sa buhay ho natin. Nakikita na ho natin yung nangyayari sa atin. But then we turn a deaf ear, we even close our eyes. Masisira ang buhay kung hindi tayo makikinig at tatanaw. But Jesus would like to offer once more the beauty of these senses that we have every day and we use every day, so that what we see and hear may be a means for us to grow, may be a means for us to learn, and may be a means for us to see the will of God, the beautiful will of God unfolding in our lives. Let us not forsake these two beautiful senses, and hopefully won't make it senseless. These are gifts of God, so that what we hear, what we see, may form us and definitely lead us to the fruits Jesus has been preparing for us.